open house leads with phone numbers in 30 seconds, plus listing leads from your next open house. Hey, it's Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads. I'm going to walk you through how to do exactly that to get your next open house leads with phone numbers done in 30 seconds, and plus how to generate high quality listing leads from any open house that you're going to do. So here's a Facebook ad on Facebook from Listings to Leads. And when people click it, you'll see it's going to capture their name, their email, and their phone number. People click through the ad, they land on your single property website. You can have video, 3D tours, your professional photos, but it's a phenomenal way to generate leads with phone numbers and to get that done in 30 seconds. So to get that done, in Listings to Leads, click on the Ads tab on the left-hand side. That's going to bring you to the Ads dashboard. And then click on Create Listing Ad. Select the listing that has the open house. Click Create Ad. And that's going to bring you to the workspace here. And all you have to do is complete the 3-step quick publish guide. So first thing, click the green Create New Form button. And then it's going to capture the name, email, and phone number automatically here. So click Create Form. Number 2, type in the location that you want to advertise this to. And you can add more than one location, but add the location that the listing is in for sure. And then third, confirm the budget and schedule. So here we're going to default to $35 for a week, but because it's an open house, I am going to change the ending date so that it ends not on the 31st, but on the 28th, which is when I have my open house. I'm going to change the time to about 4 or 5 p.m. so that it just ends after the open house. All right, so we got that good to go. Click publish. That's going to send this ad to review at Facebook, and it's going to be 100% my branding. All the leads will go to me, and there's no hidden fees for this ad. The entire budget goes to the ad. So that'll be live on Facebook pretty quickly. You're going to start generating name, email, and phone number leads. Make sure when you qualify these leads, you ask if they own a home, because we're finding that our clients are finding out that when they do that, they do find that people own a home sometimes, and sometimes they need to sell it before they buy their next home. So always do that. But I have got a tip for you that is going to generate super high quality listing leads from your next open house. So there's a post in the mastermind group, and this is from a couple of years ago, but let me tell you, I just spoke to this guy last week, and he is still doing exactly what he talked about in this post 2 years ago, and it is still working for him. He is sending out the nearby homeowners letter around his listing and is getting listing appointments, all right, and getting listings from it. So let me just show you in Listings to Leads, click on the listing tab, and we're going to go to our open house listing on our listing dashboard. So here's our open house. I'm going to click on the task icon, and under the print marketing section, not only do we have postcards and door hangers that you can use, but we've got a nearby homeowners letter, and this letter crushes it. All right. Now there's a couple of ways that you can do this. One way that I like to do it, and there's 2 different versions of it. I'm going to just click to download this version here, and we'll take a look at it together. But there's a couple of ways that you can use this. One is you could maybe the day before the open house, walk around. And people are doing this still. In March 2021, I had a client 2 weeks ago. She did this in a neighborhood that she wants to farm. She got a $1 million lead. All right, $1 million lead from door knocking with this letter before an open house. All right, so take this letter. You'll see that it talks about the open house, and it lets them know that when the home is sold, it will affect their home's value. All right. This letter gets saved. People get come list me calls. They get calls a week later, a month later, 2 months later. People save these letters, and people are getting high quality listing leads from this, and they're getting listings from it. All right. Now I got a super bonus tip for you, and that's going to be if you have something like RedX or some sort of dialer, auto dial the same homes that you get this letter to. So whether you door knock or you mail this letter to people around the open house, get it to the people around the open house. And then if you got the opportunity to use a dialer to auto dial the same people, do that, and do it from a customer service perspective. Something along the lines of, Hey, this is Scott Pierce at L2L Realty, and I just wanted to let you know that we're having an open house at 4704 Gold Lane on Sunday from 1 to 4, and I wanted to make sure that I invited you specifically to the open house. That's all you have to do. All right, that is all you have to do. Let the conversation unfold, and the goal really is to make sure that you are marketing other listings in the same area, because then you can make sure that they're seeing your ads and that you'll have the opportunity to get this letter to the same people multiple times over the course of the year, because that's the way we really make sure that we get that nice conversion when they see our marketing both digital and online multiple times. All right. So if you have any questions on this, by all means, reach out to our support team. If you are not a client, by all means, start your free trial now at listingstoleads.com. And please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because we put out more videos like this every single week to help make sure you're growing your business.